Welcome to MFP'S /report for this date, uh, September 21st, 2018. The main thing I'm going to talk about here is this whole Judge Kavanaugh circus that's going on for the president's nomination for the Supreme Court. Now, I want to talk to you about this Christine Blasey Ford and why I don't believe her, and why I believe that a lot of Americans do not believe her. And that is because, you know, there's details. I'm a details type of guy. I'm a details type of guy. And that being the case, then you've got a lady who, in terms of details, is having problems with the details. And what I mean by that is she is sort of um, she's sort of kind of every time she tells the story. Okay, I'm fine with. I don't say I'm fine with it, but I'm okay with the generalities she gives. There was this rape. It happened, and he did it. Now I don't believe her that the judge did it, but okay, let's just say you did. My problem would come with the details. She keeps changing the details. She keeps changing uh, what she says happens, when she says it happens, where she says it happens. Really, some of those things, particularly the where and the when, can you know where did it? Oh, it happened at such and such a party at such and such a house and such a date and such and such a time. Well, changed. It's changed to another day and another date and another time, and furthermore, she said, okay, it happened in high school. All right, fine. If it happened in high school, and it happened, she says it happened at a high school party. Well, fine. But then she comes back and says, well, there was only four people, or between 4 and 10 people at a party. Now, my question is this to anybody who's listening or watching, or both, and who's been to high school parties. I've been to a couple here and there, but ask yourself this: were there less than 10 people at that party? Or were there more than 10 people at that party? The party you went to, you know? And and particularly if you have, much like I did, I went to a Catholic school, a small Catholic school, which basically there was 30 people in our class, in our graduating class combined. All right. Now they split them up, or 35 people, whatever. They split them up and they put, you know, 15 and 15 or 20 and 20 or whatever it was, but they split the classes up. But they split the class up. But, and this, from what I'm understanding, this school, that she is an exclusive girls' school that not many people get into. That's number one. And that, uh, um, and it's hard to get into it. It takes a lot of money to get into it. So I'm assuming, and it's a sister school to the school that Judge Kavanaugh, uh, that Judge Kavanaugh graduated from. Now, this may not mean anything to the people that are outside the Baton Rouge area, but there's a school in Baton Rouge that called Catholic High. That it's a bigger school. It's a private Catholic school, but you know it's a bigger school, but it's an all boys school. They have a sister school called St. Joseph's. That school is the same way. It's a decently sized school, and but it's an all girls school. That's what I'm understanding. The dynamic here is with this thing is that she graduated from an all girls school. He graduated from an all boys school, and that these schools are kind of tied together. So it is not within it's within the realm of possibility that if one school, if one school had a party, or one class in one school had a party, then that same, if the senior class of any given year of that school had a party, then the senior class of the other school would be invited. It's within, the possibility is there. Now, if the possibility is there, then let's just say both of these schools are, uh, well, they are what they are. In other words, they are exclusive schools. They're hard to get into, and that means that in each class, in each grade, there are not a lot of persons in the class. All right. So, so you're gonna invite, if there's 40 people in the boys' school and the 40 people, it's a relatively large party. I'm just overblowing what actually might, however many might be in the total class. You know, it may be less than that. It may be 35, 30, something like that. If it's 30 and you're getting, that's still 60 people at a party. That's a large party. All right. That is a large party. 60 girls and 60 guys. You know, I'm assuming that all these people know each other, and all these people, you know, I'm going to invite this person, and this person invites that person, and that person invites this other person. And by the time it's all done, now granted, the dynamic in the school I came out is that we knew each other. We knew everybody. The 30 people that graduated in my class, we knew each other. All right? We knew it. We knew them. So it's not without the realm of possibility. I'm just saying that the number, it's not going to be just 4 to 10 people at this party. That's all I'm saying, and that's just been the MFP's Bite Slash report for September 21st, 2018.